Hi, my name is Des Clark. I'm a director at Amazon. I say that I'm from Seattle, but I was originally born in Jamaica. I currently lead our worldwide consumer project management team. I got into accounting because I did an accounting course in high school, and quite surprisingly, I did very well. And I thought initially that you had to be like a really great math student to do accounting, but there are numbers involved, but it's very different. So when I went to college, my accounting professor, and I think accounting is one of the strongest blocks you can use, and it works very well into the future because regardless if you're a tech company, a manufacturing company, you're not going to change how you're going to run a business. In 14 years in the Big Four, I was exposed to many. I started in the Silicon Valley. Maybe that's why I like tech. But you're exposed to many different industries in your first couple of years, and then after a while, you kind of pick which industry that you like, or usually it picks you, right? If you make profit, or even if you don't make profit, you need a strong accounting team. Otherwise, you cannot close your books, right? You cannot measure how you make money. You cannot make payroll. You can't do anything. So you need accountants to function. No accountant, no company, is how I would say it. Systems, and it was very easy to go to a big tech company. I love everything about Amazon. I love the culture. I love the people. I started in their accounting department. I have never traveled to basically every continent and set up a business in every continent. And in 7 years, I was able to do that. And I work on things as diverse as setting up a new supply chain to purchasing Whole Foods, like how does that work, right? Starting up a company in the Middle East, starting up a company in Brazil, starting up a company all over the place, like in South America. So it's just the speed by which you function at Amazon and just the range of stuff that you're gonna learn. So a good way to say it is like the accountant is almost like the band leader. They lead the orchestra. There's all these different tools, and the accountant bring it all together to make beautiful music. And once you have that great foundation, you can go anywhere.